Number 12. Consequence. 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 It means a bad result. A bad, bad, result, result. On the next page, write down the heading make sentence. M-A-K, make, S-E-N-T-E-N-C, sentence. Underline this heading. Start with number 1, myself. M-Y-S-E-L-F, myself. The sentence will be I did it myself. Full stop. Number 2, dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. The sentence will be he has eaten 3 dishes of ice cream. Full stop. Number 3, plenty. P-L-E-N-T-Y, plenty. The sentence will be there was always plenty of food. Full stop. Number 4, surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise. The sentence will be he likes to surprise people. Full stop. Number 5, invitation. I-N-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N, invitation. The sentence will be Neeta accepted the invitation to attend Rita's party. Full stop. Number 6, friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y, friendly. The sentence will be a horse is a friendly animal. Full stop. Number 7, meal. M-E-A-L, meal. The sentence will be brush your teeth after each meal. Full stop. Number 8, refuse. R-E-F-U-S-E, refuse. The sentence will be she refused to talk in English. Full stop. Number 9, notice. N-O-T-I-C-E, notice. The sentence will be he pasted the notice on the door. Full stop. Number 10, wealth. W-E-A-L-T-H, wealth. The sentence will be his wealth has not made him happy. Full stop. On the next page, write down the heading, page number 20. Underline this heading, comprehension. C-O-M-P-R-E-H-E-N-S-I-O-N, comprehension. Underline this heading. Part A, answer these questions. Now we will start writing the question answers. Question number 1. Who was Ephraim Duke? Question mark. What special object did he possess? Now, who was Ephraim Duke and what did he possess? What he was having? Answer 1. Ephraim Duke was an ancient king of Calabar. Full stop. He was a peaceful man and did not like war. Full stop. He possessed a drum. So who was Ephraim Duke? He was a king. He was a king of Calabar. And he was a peaceful person. He likes peace and silence and did not like war. He did not like fighting. He possessed a drum. It means he was having a drum. The object that he was having was the drum. Leave one line. Question number 2. What could the magic drum do? Question mark. So the question is asking what was the quality of that drum. Answer number 2. The magic drum, when beaten, provides plenty of good food and drinks. Full stop. The magic drum was having a property that when it was beaten, it provides or it gives a lot of good food and drinks to the owner of the drum. Leave one line. Question number 3. How did the king treat his enemies? Question mark. Now, how did the king how the king behaved with his enemies? How he treats with them? Answer number 3. Instead of fighting, the people found tables with plenty of good food and drinks. Full stop. In this way, he kept all his enemies in a happy and contented frame of mind. So, how the king treated them? The king invited all his enemies on a feast. He gave them food and lots of drink to have. In this way, he kept all his enemies silent and satisfied them with that food. Leave one line. Question number 4. Why did the tortoise want compensation? Question mark. Answer number 4. The tortoise accused the king's wife of stealing his nuts. So what the tortoise want when as a compensation from the king? So he as the tortoise blamed the king's wife as she stole the nuts of the tortoise. So he want some compensation of that nut. Leave a line. Question number 5. What did the tortoise ask the king to give him? Question mark. Now, in a compensation, what the tortoise want from that king? Answer number 5. The tortoise asked the king to give the magical drum he possessed. So, the tortoise in compensation wanted to have the magical drum, want to get the magical drum that the king was having. Question number 6. How did the tortoise become one of the richest men in the kingdom? Number 6. The tortoise became one of the richest men in the kingdom as now he can afford a lavish feast for not only for himself but also for the people in the kingdom. Full stop. How tortoise became the richest man in the kingdom? He became richest by the drum, by the magical drum, because now he can afford all the food, all the richest food for not only for himself, for all the people in the kingdom. Leave a line. Question number 7. What happened when the tortoise crossed over a stick while he was holding the drum? Question mark. Answer number 7. When the tortoise crossed a stick while he was holding the drum, the spell broke at once. So what happened when he crossed the stick? When the tortoise climbed over that stick while holding the drum, the spell, the magic broke at once. The magic got broke. Leave one line. Part B. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Now you have to give the answers of the questions based on this context. Start with number 1. Inverted comma open. I am a poor man, and I climbed the tree to get food for myself and my family. Inverted comma close. Full stop. Question A. Who said this? Question mark. Answer. So who said those lines? The tortoise. The tortoise said these lines. Full stop. Part B. Who was the speaker talking to? Means with whom he was talking to. Answer is the tortoise was talking to king's wife Ichor Adam. So the speaker was the tortoise and he was talking to the king's wife whose name was Ichor Adam. Part C. Why did the listener take the palm nut? Listener was the, who was the listener? Listener was the king's wife, that is the Ichor Adam. So why did she take the palm nut? Answer is the listener, Ichor Adam took the palm nut for her daughter. Full stop. She was hungry and was also crying. So the listener, that is the Echo Adam, she took the palm nut because her daughter was very hungry and she was also crying. That's why she took the palm nut. Leave one line. Context 2. This is the context 2. Inverted comma open. What will you take? Question mark. You may have anything you like. Inverted comma close. Full stop. Question number A. Who said this and to whom? Question mark. So who said these lines? These lines were said by the king. Answer is the king, comma, Ephraim Duke said these lines to the tortoise. So these lines were said by the king, whose name was Ephraim Duke, and to whom he said these lines? To the tortoise. B. Why did the speaker say this? Question mark. So why did he say this? Answer is the king said this because the tortoise wanted compensation for the palm nut. Why he said this? We said this because the tortoise wanted compensation for the palm nut. He wanted compensation for his loss. That is the palm nut. C. What did the listener want to have from the speaker? Now, what did the listener wanted to have from the speaker? Listener was the tortoise. Speaker was the king. Answer is the tortoise wanted to have the magical drum which the king possessed. So tortoise, what was the tortoise wanted? He wanted to have the magical drum of the king.